Chukwuemeka Osaretin Ike. I'm an electrical engineering senior from Nigeria. McNeese's medium size has made it a lot easier to work with my professors on different projects that I would have been able to do at a larger university.
Hello, my name is Stefan Mivkovic and I'm from Montenegro. Here at McNeese I found a new home, away from home, and the people are very helpful and welcoming.
There's one reason why I really like McNeese, and that's because of the student-teacher ratio. I could bump into a professor and he would know me personally, not just like any random student. Like, he would know what problems I face in class, and I find that really interesting. At the beginning of the semester, actually, I was having difficulties getting to class. It was full and it's only offered once a year. So I emailed one of my professors, and I've taken like 3 classes with him, and he put me into that class. And weeks later I bumped into him and he asked, "Hey Lillian, did you manage to get into that class?" And I was like, "Yeah." And I found that really interesting that he remembered it without even looking at his emails and stuff. So I do enjoy the fact that you can have a good relationship with your professors and they can understand your problems.
Hi, my name is Lafan and I'm from Vietnam. I'm here at McNeese studying electrical engineering. Being here at McNeese is more than just an academic studying. I'm able to develop my communication skill and my leadership skill.
Hi all, my name is Philip Kujali from Ivory Coast and I'm studying finance at McNeese State University. Being at McNeese State University has given me the opportunity to make valuable friendships with people from different parts of the globe.